Guys, this sweep is incredibly strong. Again, very hard to defend if you have the right grips and you land in a very good position. So again, single leg X, he's standing. I switch, pant grip. Now guys, I'm gonna bring my leg behind his knee and I go to like an X guard, switching to my overhook grip. I wanna pass this pant leg to this hand here. It's gonna be hard, so how am I gonna do it? I kind of push and pull. Pull his leg here and I lift with my bottom leg. Now look, I pass to my hand here and we come back here. So now my leg that's behind his knee is gonna open up. I'm gonna swing over and walk a triangle here. Notice my left leg is in front of his hip, so if he tries to run, he can't. I grip his belt. I'm gonna open my knee to this side, pulling him down. Here. So now I'm gonna stretch this leg and come up into the leg drag position. Again. Let's do it from this side so you can see. So single leg axe, trouser grip, I transition here. I pull his leg, pass to this, and he comes back. I open my leg, I swing, walk a triangle, my legs in front, I grip, open here, and now I'm gonna stretch this leg to pull myself up in the leg drag position.